Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. My name is Sean Dexter, and I have here with me Krisha, the pattern queen. Krisha, say hi.
And what's up, you guys?
And we welcome you to the Mango Grove for your daily analysis video. And guess what, guys? Today we'll be covering the most exciting chart of them all, Bitcoin USD. Krisha, how exciting is this chart? How exciting has it been?
It's been dead exciting.
She's being sarcastic, but honestly, to me, this has been brilliant. I'm loving it. The excitement that Bitcoin has given us by the byproduct of going sideways has been amazing. And if you guys do remember, hey, this was exactly what we hypothesized before we stopped trading Bitcoin. What's it been? More than a month ago, Krisha?
Yeah, about a month. I mean, we've been in this pattern, not a pattern, but this
Sideways.
consolidation phase since what, June, May? No, past May. Damn, May 11th. We've just
Indeed.
been in this range.
So in today's video, we'll be going ahead and giving you guys an update on what Bitcoin's doing and also covering Chainlink. Now, Chainlink, that's one that is truly, directly exciting. I'm sure a lot of people are waiting to hear from us on our thoughts on Chainlink. Hey, the reason we've not been talking about Chainlink is because we were planning that trade, guys, for months. That one we've been planning for months, and it's all coming to fruition now. Just waiting, riding it, adding on the dips, and hey, today we'll be giving you guys our thoughts on that as well. So let's get started. Krisha, here I'm looking at the daily time frame, but what I do want to do is switch on over to the weekly. We're going to use your style, right? I'm going to start with the weekly and move down. And
Sweet.
I'm going to switch on over to the Ichimoku template really quickly. And if you do remember, we had come down here. Okay. First things first, we popped into the cloud. We did not see continuation. And what was the hypothesis that at least I had? Because here's my bragging rights. I said, hey guys, everyone is expecting Bitcoin to either pump or dump. What if we simply trickle down like this, right? Down to the bottom of the cloud, down the lining of the bottom of the cloud. And honestly, the reason I suggested that and the reason I felt strongly about that was because I've seen this before. I've traded the Ichimoku so much that this exact pattern, this price action along with the placement of the Ichimoku, I've seen so many times before where we're expecting that edge-to-edge trade, but what we do get instead was just sideways trickle down, right? And that was when I said, hey guys, if Bitcoin actually does start doing that, we need to keep an eye on the Bitcoin dominance. I'm not going to switch on over to the chart right now. Don't want to confuse you guys. I don't want to overwhelm you guys. But if Bitcoin starts doing that, right, it's going to be massive opportunity on the altcoins. Krisha, do you remember that?
Yes, siree.
Yes, sirree. And
And
hey,
that's exactly what we got, right?
yep. And was that mindset, that positioning of our mindset that allowed us to place ourselves at the right place at the right time for the true excitement, which was on the altcoins, right? A lot of these coins on, I don't want to name any exchanges, but where you do have liquidity to trade good position sizes, were pumping and moving really well. By the way, guys, we will be doing an update on Cardano today. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And Bitcoin pretty much going sideways. Now the question is it going to keep going sideways, Krisha? What are your thoughts?
It's a tough one. It's a tough one. Right now, I mean, we are kind of sandwiched in a very tight little range there. But what is to note is that on the weekly, I mean, I am looking at the weekly right now. Bitcoin actually took out that 10 simple moving average on that last weekly close. So, although, the thing is that it's not trending anywhere. So it's a very, very, difficult picture to dissect.
Well
What are your
said.
thoughts?
No, I think you nailed it over there. It's not trending, and that is so important, right? We are trend traders. Going back to a month and a half ago, whenever I stopped doing these Bitcoin videos, or rather when I stopped trading Bitcoin, was essentially when I decided, hey, there's no more trend edge on this consolidation anymore, right? I was trading Bitcoin primarily on the 2-day time frame. Krisha, I'm going to quickly switch on over to the 2-day, okay, just very quickly.
Okay.
And I believe it was right around the 9,550. I think it was right here. I think 21st June was it? Essentially, We did get that one last trade off the 21 EMA, a nice good trade, but the thesis I was looking for is, hey, I'm looking for the 3-day to close above the 10 SMA, and right over here, it was 14th of June, 14th of June, we closed underneath, and I was like, okay, cool, that's it, I'm out of this trade, and ever since then, I've simply been trading all coins, and my thesis was, as long as Bitcoin is going sideways, as long as Bitcoin doesn't make any major moves, either closing candles above 9,700 or closing candles underneath 8,800, I have no interest in touching this trade. In fact, I am going to be looking for opportunity on other coins, because this is the perfect environment for these coins to be moving. And what do you know, Krisha? That's exactly what ended up happening. I could have been wrong, right? But the thing about that situation was, if we were wrong, all we had to do was simply trade Bitcoin towards its volatility direction, either towards the upside or towards the downside. And this is the question I've been getting a lot recently. Sean, what are you going to do? When are you going to do it? I don't have to make that decision, guys. Bitcoin is going to make that decision for me. However, I do understand you guys want to mentally get prepared, right? Are we seeing signs that Bitcoin may be getting ready to make a move? Krisha, what are your thoughts on that?
I have, I'm just looking at this price action right now. It's been not choppy. I can't say choppy, but the volatility it's just disappeared. So I have no sort of, direction on Bitcoin right now. This could actually swing either way, but whatever comes next, it's going to be a volatile move.
Indeed. And choppy, I think, is the right word to be using if you're looking at the lower time frames. And guys, in my opinion, even the daily is a lower time frame. All right, I harped on this for a very, very long time. I said it over and over in the Mango Grove Telegram chat. By the way, guys, join the Telegram while you can. We're going to be making that channel private very soon. And I said, hey guys, please do not be playing the lower time frames. 4 hours out of the question, 12 hour, daily, the time frames to have been playing during this consolidation, where we're getting these $1,000 upside moves using the Mango Vine and the 2-day 21 EMA in conjunction, was the 2-day, right? We were getting really, really good trades, but even that edge started disappearing as we start getting further and further into the trade. So what are the time frames to be playing? 2-day and above. With that, Krisha, I do want to bring us now to the time frame I am looking at, I have been eyeing, and that is the 4-day time frame. It is the Mango time frame. Switch on over to the 4-day, and oof, that doesn't look too bad, eh? What do you think? Is that a bull flag I'm seeing?
It sure does look like one. The thing is that, like, patterns off late have just not been. It's like we see like a potential breakout. There's no volume push. There's no follow through. Only for price to, like, range within a certain range, and then it morphs into a different pattern. And so right now, yes, this is looking like a bull flag, to answer your question. And we're sandwiched, right?
Indeed,
between the 10 and the 21.
Yes, I haven't pulled that up yet for them, but I'm going to go ahead, turn on the Mango ribbon. Again, guys, the Mango ribbon, completely free, link down below. And hey, what do you know, guys? The 10 SMA, the 21 EMA, the 10 kin, all coming in, pressing in on Bitcoin, saying, Bitcoin, enough is enough. It's time to make a move, right? So Bitcoin either breaking to the upside here, closing a 4-day candle above 9,571 is going to be significant, or hey, closing a 4-day candle underneath the 21 EMA over here at 9,056 is going to be significant. Either way, we have a trade opportunity on our hands, a high probability trade, a probability, guys, not a certainty, for one direction or the other. And that is when you want to be getting a little bit more cautious on your altcoin positions. I know I certainly would be. Krisha, a candle close underneath 9,556, and I'd be looking for a move to 7,000 region, 7,300, 7,500 perhaps. Hey, any candle close into that 9,700, 9,800 region, I'll then be looking for a move eventually all the way to the 11,000s, but not until we confirm a candle close above 10,200. So with that, look at what I just said. I said, hey, a candle close underneath 9,000, and I'm definitely going to be looking for a big move. But if we close about 9,700, it'll just be the start to something big towards the upside, right?
Mm-hmm.
So things are leaning towards the bears right now, Krisha, on Bitcoin. The bears have it easier. We are consolidating against resistance. They don't
That's
have much to do before we go down.
So is that where you're leaning towards? You're leaning bearish right now if you have to look at the entire sort of, this little
No, I'm not. I'm not
cluster?
actually. Believe it or not, I'm not. I am leaning more neutral to bullish.
Okay.
Is that the
That's
right
fair.
way to be looking at it? I don't know. I'm not in a position, so it's easy to do that, right? I think the easy trade right now that everyone is looking at is towards the downside. And I don't think Bitcoin is being generous right now to people at all. Okay, remember, Krisha, when we were trading 3K? When everybody and their mothers was looking for the next move to 2,600?
Yes.
Right? It was the same story. We were consolidating against major support. Okay? Just like we are right now at 9,000 region. If we did big candles underneath, we were going down. We were definitely, and everybody was ready for it. Everyone was selling their Bitcoin. And Bitcoin didn't do that. Bitcoin pushed people into a disbelief stage. Oh, hey, it's consolidating against that major level at around 4,000. Don't worry, guys. It's going to come down, and it's going to break, and it's going to go to zero. What did Bitcoin end up doing? It pumped all the way to 14K. I feel like the scary trade right now, the scary thing for Bitcoin to be doing, that everybody needs to be careful of, is Bitcoin moving slowly up to the 10,000 region, slowly and gradually, getting people complacent because altcoins will still pump during that period, and then suddenly move with vindication all the way to 20,000, all the way to 50,000, all the way to $1 million. No, I'm joking, guys. But be careful, guys. Be careful, because I'm not saying, hey, guys, be bullish on Bitcoin, and hey, buy your Bitcoin because it's going to go to 50,000 or whatever. What I'm saying is, if you are taking leverage trades on your altcoin against the Bitcoin pairing, for example, if you're trading on an exchange like BitMEX, where you're trading against the Bitcoin pairing, it doesn't matter whether you're neutral on Bitcoin or not. You will get liquidated if Bitcoin makes a move, a drastic move that puts your altcoin position in danger against the Bitcoin pairing. So be careful of that.
Yeah. I've been a victim to that volatile move before.
Yeah.
So that can, I mean, the thing is that these altcoins, they're not even going to give you a sign that, weakness is coming in and Bitcoin is, about to make a move. The volatility is just going to kick in and boom.
Exactly. So.
But let's look at the measured move of this potential bull flag that's playing out on the 4-day time frame. I'm kind of intrigued now.
Potential bull flag indeed.
So if you look at the 4-day time frame, I'm taking the poll from the break.
Ooh, she's taking the poll, guys. Oh my god, this is gonna be fun. Where are you taking the poll from, Krisha? 4,800 or?
Yes, 4,800.
Damn.
Yes, 4,000. I mean, it makes sense though, right? Yeah, I think that's the poll.
Yeah.
If this breaks, I think that would form the poll. But no, this measured move from the break. Now, if it breaks, I do believe that Bitcoin will have to take out, what is this region right here? This is the key region that we've been looking at, right? 9,500-ish, 9,000, yeah. I have 9,550 on my chart, Sean.
Okay, so I'm going to go and push my pole down to 9,000, push my pole down to 9,550. Hey, that's the 10 SMA on the 4-day, so okay, cool. There
right, so, and that makes sense, right? I mean, that'll be a break of a major level as well. So if we actually meet the measured move, this takes Bitcoin all the way up to, drumroll, where is this? $15,000.
Yep, that's precisely what I have. I have 14,900-ish. Damn. Hey, Krisha, maybe we end the video with that, and we do see a link in a separate video because, it just allows people to have a little bit more,
Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
What about you guys? This is what we are going to do this time, guys, but let us know in the comments below if you guys do like separate videos. Also, let us know what other videos you guys want us to cover. Now we all know you guys want us to cover Cardano. We are going to be covering Cardano, ADA, whatever you guys want to call it, don't worry, but suggest a different coin this time, and please, hey, something different. Don't say Zilka. Krisha did Zilka yesterday. See you guys in the next video. Anything we want to cover quickly? Yeah, quick summaries, guys. 4-day is a mango time frame to be looking at. The 10 SMA, the 21 MA, the Tenkin. Break towards the downside, we're looking towards 7,000. Break towards the upside, Krisha is looking towards 15,000. Hey, either way, good moves to be had. Good moves to be had. Either way, you need to be cautious. You need to be keeping your eyes open. Don't be sleeping on Bitcoin, because it is the time to be paying attention when everyone was sleeping. When we were paying attention to altcoins, people were sleeping on altcoins. Now people are opening up to altcoins. But hey, maybe, just maybe, it's time to be looking at Bitcoin. We'll see you guys in the next video. We'll be covering Chainlink quickly, because that one, hey, not much to be said really. We'll just be referencing previous videos. See you guys soon. Bye.
See ya. Ciao.